Bhagavad Gita as it is, Chapter 4, Text 16. Kim karma kim akarmeti kavayopyatra mohitaha tatte karma pravakshyami yajñātva mokṣyase shubhat. Synonyms: Kim, what is? Karma, action. Kim, what is? Akarma, inaction. Iti, thus. Kavayaha, the intelligent. Api, also. Atra, in this matter. Mohitaha, bewildered. Tat, that. Te, unto you. Karma, work. Pravakshyami, I shall explain. Yat, which. Jnātva, knowing. Mokṣyase, be liberated. Ashubhat, from ill fortune. Translation: Even the intelligent are bewildered in determining what is action and what is inaction. Now I shall explain to you what action is, knowing which you shall be liberated from all sins. Purport: Action in Krishna consciousness has to be executed in accord with the examples of previous bona fide devotees. This is recommended in the 15th verse. Why such action should not be independent will be explained in the text to follow. To act in Krishna consciousness, one has to follow the leadership of authorized persons who are in a line of disciplic succession as explained in the beginning of this chapter. The system of Krishna consciousness was first narrated to the sun god. The sun god explained it to his son Manu. Manu explained it to his son Ikshvaku, and the system is current on this earth from that very remote time. Therefore, one has to follow in the footsteps of previous authorities in the line of disciplic succession. Otherwise, even the most intelligent men will be bewildered regarding the standard actions of Krishna consciousness. For this reason, the Lord decided to instruct Arjuna in Krishna consciousness directly. Because of the direct instructions of the Lord to Arjuna, anyone who follows in the footsteps of Arjuna is certainly not bewildered. It is said that one cannot ascertain the ways of religion simply by imperfect experimental knowledge. Actually, the principles of religion can only be laid down by the Lord Himself. Dharmam hi shakshat bhagavat pranitam. No one can manufacture a religious principle by imperfect speculation. One must follow in the footsteps of great authorities like Brahma, Shiva, Narada, Manu, Kumara, Kapila, Prahalada, Bhishma, Shukadeva Goswami, Yamaraja, Janaka, etc. By mental speculation, one cannot ascertain what is religion or self-realization. Therefore, out of causeless mercy to his devotees, the Lord explains directly to Arjuna what action is and what inaction is. Only action performed in Krishna consciousness can deliver a person from the entanglement of material existence. Text 17. Karmano hyapi bodhavyam bodhavyam cha vikarmanaha akarmanascha bodhavyam gahana karmano gatihi. Synonyms: Karmanaha, working order. He, certainly. Api, also. Bodhavyam, should be understood. Bodhavyam, to be understood. Cha, also. Vikarmanaha, forbidden work. Akarmanaha, inaction. Cha, also. Bodhavyam, should be understood. Gahana, very difficult. Karmanaha, working order. Gatihi, to enter into. Translation. The intricacies of action are very hard to understand. Therefore, one should know properly what action is, what forbidden action is, and what inaction is. Purport. If one is serious about liberation from material bondage, one has to understand the distinctions between action, inaction, and unauthorized actions. One has to apply oneself to such an analysis of action, reaction, and perverted actions because it is a very difficult subject matter. To understand Krishna consciousness and action according to the modes, one has to learn one's relationship with the Supreme. That is, one who has learned perfectly knows that every living entity is the eternal servitor of the Lord and that consequently one has to act in Krishna consciousness. The entire Bhagavad Gita is directed towards this conclusion. Any other conclusions against this consciousness and its attendant reactions are vikarmas or prohibitive actions. To understand all this, one has to associate with authorities in Krishna consciousness and learn the secret from them. This is as good as learning from the Lord directly. Otherwise, even the most intelligent person will be bewildered. Text 18. Karmanya yaha pashyet akarmani cha karma yaha sabhuddhiman manushyeshu sayuktaha kritsna karmakrit. Synonyms. Karmani, in action. Akarma, inaction. Yaha, one who. Pashyet, observes. Akarmani, in inaction. Cha, also. Karma, fruitive action. Yaha, one who. Saha, he. Buddhiman, is intelligent. Manushyeshu, in human society. Saha, he. Yuktaha, is in the transcendental position. Kritsna karma krit, although engaged in all activities. Translation. One who sees inaction in action and action in inaction is intelligent among men, and he is in the transcendental position although engaged in all sorts of activities. Purport. A person acting in Krishna consciousness is naturally free from the bonds of karma. His activities are all performed for Krishna. Therefore, he does not enjoy or suffer any of the effects of work. Consequently, he is intelligent in human society, even though he is engaged in all sorts of activities for Krishna. Akarma means without reaction to work. The impersonalist ceases fruitive activities out of fear so that the resultant action may not be a stumbling block on the path of self-realization. But the personalist knows rightly his position as the eternal servitor of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Therefore, he engages himself in the activities of Krishna consciousness. Because everything is done for Krishna, he enjoys only transcendental happiness in the discharge of this service. Those who are engaged in this process are known to be without desire for personal sense gratification. The sense of eternal servitorship to Krishna makes one immune to all sorts of reactionary elements of work.